Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to clean up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually come here to lists, okay? And then go over here to chart of accounts. So click here on lists. You get a drop down and I want you to choose chart of accounts. And then you can also press Control+A, by the way. So here we have chart of accounts and you basically review all your accounts. You can look for duplicates, okay, or unused accounts. Check the account types. They have different ones. There's expenses, there's incomes. Make sure those ones are correct, especially. And identify vague names like miscellaneous or others, okay? And you go ahead and merge the duplicate accounts. So the way you go about this, you highlight the account you want to keep, okay? And you right click the duplicate account. Okay, just right click it like that. And then you click on edit account. And then you rename it to match the name of the account you're keeping exactly. Click save and close. And when you're prompted, you click yes to merge. Okay. Remember guys, this cannot be undone, so make sure it is correct. Okay. And then you can go ahead and verify accuracy. So the way you do that, you come here, you click on reports. You come over here to company and financial, right? And then you go to profit and loss standard right here and balance sheet standard. So you do these, review the totals, make sure all the accounts are correct, and then you can export your clean chart of accounts. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.